Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So I would like you to make me up, so just subscribe my videos, share and like. I beg you so much. So today I'd like to show you this engine type model 4M51, but before it was electrical system, but now it has already changed and screwed injection mechanical injection pump, as like you see. So the things which we are going to do now, we are going to check the leak which flow out. So holder, pressure pipe, as like you see, this holder, pressure pipe. So we want to see which holder which leaked. So we push this fuel pump to see which holder leak. As you see, so there you can see the holder which leak. I think this one. So for a good way, you have supposed so to change the rubber. The rubber inside here, after unscrewed, we will see the rubber. We will open this like this. Okay. So be careful and remove this, because inside of this bit, this holder, there's valve. Let's see this valve. So you have supposed to change this rubber. So, but for a good way, you are supposed to change all of your rubber from this one and this one and this one. Okay, that's it. Okay, so we will change this and then we will screw there. After that, everything will be okay. Okay.